Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I brought to you another powerful boom and crash strategy guys. If you have been looking for a strategy that you can be using to make money consistently from the boom and crash market, then this strategy is for you guys. This strategy is specially meant for you. Okay? Now let me tell you why you have not been making money from the boom and crash market. Let me just say from forex as a whole, why you have not been making money from forex is because you have not been consistent with your strategy. Okay, you are just moving from one strategy to another. I'm telling you that will not be of help to you. Okay, what you need to do is to just look for a strategy, a powerful strategy, a strategy that has higher win rate. Okay, strategy that the win rate is more than the losses. Okay, then just stick to that strategy and consistently trade with that strategy. Okay, I assure you, you will make money on forex. Okay, now this is one of those strategy. Okay, just stick to this strategy. It's a spike catching strategy. Okay, just stick to this strategy and I assure you, you will make money from the boom and crash market. Okay, now let me show you how this strategy works. Okay, now there are some conditions that needs to be met before you can take an entry with this strategy, and one of them is, first of all, you allow this red indicator here to get to the 15 level. Okay, you allow it to get to the 15 level. First of all, you allow the signal line, the red one, and the main line. Okay, this one here, this line, and then this one that is facing down. Okay, you allow it to touch the 15 level here. Okay, that's one condition. And then the next thing, you need to wait for crossing. Okay, you can see this crossing right here to the upside. And then when you see this on the main screen here right now, when you see that this brand here is crossing above this blue line, okay, that is an indication for you to get ready to take a spike. Okay, I didn't say you should take any spike yet. Okay, now first of all, you wait for it to get to the 80 and the 15 level. You see a crossing here. Now this crossing here is the same with this one. Okay, they are both crossing the same time. Okay, I just like add it here for you so that you understand it better. Okay, these two lines here are crossing the same time. As you can see, the crossing, they are happening the same time. Yeah, so immediately you see that happening, like, since it is a spike catching strategy, so when you see like maybe the trend is going down like this, and you see this is on the 15 level, you just wait patiently. So immediately you see spike, up, and this brown, or let me say golden, I don't know, this brown moving average crosses the blue one. Immediately that spike happen and you see the crossing. Okay, and this is the spike, that made this brown to cross the blue one. So immediately you see this spike. Okay, you go in. Okay, you go in immediately. You don't need to wait for anything else. Immediately you see the spike, you just go in, and then after that you see spikes. As you can see, you see spikes coming. So that's it guys, that's just how simple the strategy is. First of all, the first condition, you wait for this two line to get to the 15 level. Second condition, you wait for a spike to occur and you need to see the brown crossing the blue. Okay, after that you go in for your spikes. Okay, you go in and wait for spike, and then for your exit, for your take profit, you need to wait for the red signal line, okay, to touch the 85 level. Immediately it touches the 85 level, you don't need to be greedy, guys. You close your trades, okay. This is a spike catching. You will make a lot of money with this strategy, guys. I assure you that. From my experience, I know you are going to make a lot of strategy. This strategy is a very simple one, but it is powerful, guys. It's a very powerful strategy. This crossing here is indicating a change in trend, okay. It's showing you now that the trend is changing from a downtrend to an uptrend. That's why you see crossing, okay. This MACD, the MACD indicator is a very powerful indicator. So any strategy you see this indicator, just know that that strategy is a very powerful one, because this is a trend changing indicator. It indicates or show you when there's change in trends, okay. So that's just it. So you wait for it to get to the 85 level, and then you take your profit and you wait for the next opportunity, okay. Guys, don't forget, consistency is the key. Just keep repeating the same thing. Make sure you follow the rules accordingly. Wait for your condition. Keep repeating the same thing. You don't need to be changing strategy, guys. And one thing you need to know is that in trading, there is always losses, okay. Loss is also part of trading. Just keep that at the back of your mind, okay. Loss is also part of trading. So you don't need to say because you have losses with this strategy, the strategy is not good, or I don't know. Loss is also part of trading, okay. So you just need to know that only the thing that you know is that the strategy should be like 80% of win rates. Like the winning should be more than the losses. And if you have that, and then the next thing is your risk management, okay. Like now this strategy now, since you know when to enter and you know when to exit, the next thing that will come to your mind is how much are you willing to risk. So if it's me, I'll risk, like let's say in like let's say you have a capital of $10, okay. If it is me, I'll be risking $2 per trade, okay. So like say let's say you enter here now, like you wait for the crossing to occur, sorry, and see there was this spike, and then you enter here. So you just wait. Let's say it didn't spike, okay, and it keep coming down, it keep coming down. No, since it's not, since you're not trading against the spike, okay, it will not like, it will not be hard for you to monitor your trade, okay, to be going down slowly. So let's say if it gets to $2 now, you can close your trade manually, okay. When it gets to $2, you close your trade manually, and with that you'll be able to manage your account, control what you are losing. So let's say it gets to your $2 here, you close your trade manually, or you can set a stop loss below here, okay, depending on the account size you have. Then when it gets there, you close it, and then you wait for the next opportunity. And I assure you that next opportunity is going to give you the winning you are looking for, okay. It's going to give you your money back times two. That $2 you risk, the next trade is going to like give you $5 or 10 or let's say $6. That is times two or times three of what you just lost. And then after that, you wait for the next opportunity again. After the spike, you enter from here, then you can see spikes. When it gets to this place, you close your trade. So that's it, guys. This strategy is powerful. You need to wait for the condition, okay, and make sure you follow everything. And it's not all the trades you take. Like let's say this one now, it had getting to the 15 level. You can see this spike is long, okay. You can choose not to enter, okay, because it might not spike. You should because this thing that happened here will not happen all the time. So don't be deceived, okay. It might not spike, so just take note of that, okay. But just know in trading there is losses. those of you that will be asking for this black moving average here, that is my 200 moving average. Okay, I just like to add it in my chart. It helps me to determine the trend of the market. As you can see on the 50-minute time frame, we are in a downtrend right now. Why? Because you can see price is below the 200 moving average. Okay, so the black moving average here it helps me to determine the trend. Now I know that we are on a downtrend. Okay, but I can still like catch spike with this strategy on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, with this strategy you don't need to follow the trend. Okay, you can trade against the trend with this strategy. All you need to do, but it's good to follow the trend. Okay, it's good to follow the trend because you have more winning trades. Okay, so when you are trading against the trend with this strategy, let's say you have 50% win rate, but when you are following the trend, okay, when you are following the trend, you're going to have like 90% win rate. Okay, so that's what you need to know. For me, I won't lie, I used to trade against the trend with this strategy, and it gives me good win rate too, and I like it like that, so I don't mind. So that's it, guys. That's just the rules for this strategy. So I'm just going to like share with you the setting now. So you click on this F icon right here. Our first moving average, moving average, we have the moving average 12, the shift is 0, method exponential, apply to close. Under the style we have 3 pixel, the color is brown. After that you click on done, and then the second moving average here is the moving average 26, the shift is 0, method exponential, apply to close, 3 pixel, the color is blue. Then this is the 200 moving average I told you about, and these are the settings. After that you click on done. Then the fractals, we don't have any use for it, so don't mind that one. Then under the indicator window one, you first of all add your relative strength index. Okay, and this I use it for the levels. Okay, the period is 1, apply to close. Under the style we have 1 pixel. You make the color of your background. If you are using a black background, you make it black. If you are using white, you make it white. And then the levels, we have the 15 and the 85. Okay, so this is the function of that one. It's just to show us the level, the 85 and the 15. Okay, that's just why we add that indicator. And then this is the main indicator right here, the MACD. Okay, and these are the settings. Fast EMA is 12, the slow EMA is 26, the MACD SMA is 9, apply to close. Under the style we have 3 pixel, the color brown, the signal 3 pixel, color red. Okay, so that's just the settings. After that you click on done. These are all the settings. You can see after that you have a screen like this, and now for the zoom level, you zoom out completely, you zoom in 1 2, sorry, you zoom in 1 2. Okay, this is the zoom level, and then the screen, just place it the same line with your dollar sign, then you leave it like this. And then this strategy, it works on boom 1000, crash 1000, crash 1000, and crash boom 500 and crash 500. Okay, these are the ones I've tested it on. I've not tested it on these two, so I don't know what to say about that one yet. Okay, so just use it on those 4. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'll be drawing the curtain here. Silver out.